Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HIDAYAT bin NAZRI. My metric number is 211293344. I'm from the program RY31 Industry Power. My instructor name is Puan Aminurul Nazifah binti Abdullah. Lab 2, which is the title is Analysis on Line Performance of the Transmission Line. In this lab, we use MATLAB to run this simulation. I open for the MATLAB. This is for example 2. This coding we get from the lab sheet, and we use this command at this window for the coding for the RLC to ABCD to identify for the ABCD. In this lab, we want to get the value for the A, B, C, D, Y, Z, and for the current, voltage, power sending and reactive sending and power factor and voltage regulation. I will run this simulation. When I run the simulation, the command window asks to 1 for medium and 2 for long. So I select 1 to get the answer. For the result, we can see the value of A. This is A value, 0.98924 plus J 0.0012844. This is for value B. This is for value C, and this is for value D. This is for value Y, and this is for value Z. For this is current sending end for IS, and this is for voltage sending end. This is a power factor, and this is for reactive sending. And for power factor, we get 0.869657, and the voltage regulation in percentage is we get the 7.30913. And from the result we get at the MATLAB, we compare with the pre-lab calculation. We compare at the calculation and simulation in the table. And then I will run for the example 3. This is example 3 for coding for the lab 2. When I run this coding, for this coding, we need to declare for the code ZY2 ABCD we get from the Google Classroom, and we need to run in the one file. When I run this code, the command window asks to 1 or 2, 1 for medium, 2 for long. So we choose 1 and enter, and we get the value. Same for the question, example 2. This is for A value. This is for B. This is for C value. This is for D. This is for Y. And this is for Z. The number we compare between pre-lab calculation. And then this is the current sending end. This is a voltage sending end. This is a power sending. And this is a reactive sending. and the power factor is state here. And then the last we get from this lab, we get the percent voltage or voltage regulation. We compare between calculation. We can see the parameter A from the calculation. We get 0.989 plus J 0.001, but in simulation we get 0.9893 plus J 0.001287. For parameter B, from the calculation we get 4.68 plus J 39 ohm, and from simulation we get 4.68 plus J 39 ohm. And the value for C, parameter C, we get the from calculation we get 548.6 milli, and from simulation we get negative 3.5213 power negative 7 plus J 0.00054567. And for value D we get from calculation 0.989 plus J 0.001, and for the simulation we get 0.9893 plus J 0.001287. For the value parameter Y, from calculation we get J 548.6, for degree is 90, and from simulation we get 0 plus J 0.00054886S. And the last parameter for Z, from calculation we get 4.68 plus J 39 ohm, and from simulation we get 4.68 plus J 39 ohm. For the voltage receiving end VR, from calculation we get 330.62 kilovolt, and for the simulation we get 330.68 kilovolt. For the current receiving end, from calculation we get 455.7 ampere, and for simulation we get 4.441.832 ampere. For the power receiving end, calculation we get 232.27 megawatt, and for simulation we get 224.592 megawatt. For reactive receiving end, calculation get 116.82 mega VAR, and for simulation get 116.612 mega VAR. For the power factor PF, calculation get 0.89, and the simulation get 0.887501. This is near the value. And the lastly is for voltage regulation. From the calculation we get 5.511%, and for simulation we get 5.45863%. That's all for lab. Thank you.